Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I welcome you to join me in utensil cleaning and cooking lunch. Yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So today we are going to prepare some fries. We are going to take them for lunch. So this day we had cooked supper and it was a bit late, so I didn't manage to finish cooking all the fries that I was cooking. So for the next day, I decided to cook to finish up cooking the fries for lunch. Yeah, so as you can see, the baking tray we are using, it's kind of dirty because we did not use aluminium foil. Turns out at the moment we didn't have it. Yeah, so and we had to cook, so that's why the baking tray turned out to be that dirty. Yeah. So just go ahead and clean the utensils that we use at night. Clean everything, and then we will start cooking.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called
I'm done cleaning the utensils. I'm just going ahead and clean the sink, and from there start cooking.
I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience, one day at a time.
So I don't know about you, but as far as we prefer baking the fries in the oven instead of deep frying. That way we at least save on cooking oil. Yeah, so for our today's fries, we are going to add some carrots, yellow and green bell peppers, and then for spices we are going to use black pepper, paprika and oregano, and then sprinkle some salt before we put the chips in the oven. Yeah. So after I'm done adding all my spices, I'm going to add some cooking oil and massage the potatoes to ensure that every potato is well covered with the spices I've added and also cooking oil. With the preparation, I'm going ahead and popping them into the oven. Yeah, so I'll be cooking them at 250 degrees for 30 minutes. Yeah. So 30 minutes later, that's how our chips turned out to be. And because we had roasted some chicken, Kienyeji chicken last night, I'm just going to add them up inside the tray and return the fries back in the oven for 10 minutes for them to be crisp and also to warm up the chicken. Yeah. And now everything is ready. That's how our lunch turned out to be. Yeah, I don't know about you, but Kienyeji chicken it's really yummy compared to broiler chicken, and yeah, it really slaps different. Yeah, so our lunch is ready. I'm gonna add and serve it. Yeah, so bye guys, thank you for joining me and see you in the next video. Bye bye.